What's going on YouTube? Another video for you guys today. And this time around I'm actually going to stick to my word and do more videos on my food because I've been slacking hard on those. I'm gonna actually make my protein pancakes that I've been loving lately. Normally I just show you guys like the finished product, not really going in depth with what I use or the measurements, just being precise on everything. That's what I will be doing in this video. So yeah, if you guys are really looking into making that switch, now would be a good time to subscribe to the channel. I will be doing a lot more meals, so hopefully you guys are excited for that. But yeah, decided to do an actual voiceover for this, and I thought it would just be easier to do this instead of me just trying to put everything on the screen for you guys to read. So showing you guys here, obviously you want to start off with a scale. I know if you're taking this seriously, and just with all my videos, you obviously want to keep track of all your calories. So that is just measuring everything out. Plus, I mean, it makes sense because we will be doing the protein pancake. We got to go off these measurements. So just get yourself a scale. I don't have anything super fancy. I think I just went to my local Bed Bath & Beyond and got that one for like 15, 20 bucks, I think. Not much more than that. But yeah, just a standard food scale. And you will also want to have a blender. And if you guys have something that will get you to a fine consistency, I mean, that's all that matters. I have a Ninja. I don't think it's necessary for doing this, but you know, this one works for me. As you guys can see on the screen, you know, it does a pretty good job at blending this, you know, going for that flour consistency. So it works awesome. I love it, and it's very easy. So yeah, you can do the Ninja or just any other blender. I think I did the blending for like a minute or so, and just depends. You might have to move it around a little bit too, just to make sure that there's not any clumps, you know, stuck to the side. You don't want to add any water, just straight oats into the blender cup. So, and that would be it. Just blend it up. There you go. That's basically what you want to do. Nothing fancy. The protein is in there to add a little bit more protein to your pancakes. Also gives it a great taste. I always just go for my favorite protein, which would be that ORGAIN, and I just do a chocolate base. You guys could do vanilla. Vanilla would be fine, but I'm going with the chocolate fudge in mine. Then you want to add some of that baking powder and baking soda into the mix. Just makes it a lot nicer. Gives it that nice full look to make it rise a little bit nicer, because they are protein pancakes and they are out of rolled oats. You know, it'll be a different consistency than what you're used to, probably a little bit more dry, but they're pretty damn delicious at the end of the day. So that baking soda and the baking powder will really help. You want to make sure you add those to the mix. Then I did go ahead and add some berries. So what I normally do is actually add a mix of berries, which just comes like that, I think it's just a triple berry medley or something like that. I just buy it at Sam's Club. It's frozen, and that's why I put them on the stove. Just heat them up. You want to make sure you crush them down, get that nice little consistency. I also put peanut butter, as you saw, into the microwave, and that's just to make it a little bit more of a runny consistency. And that's what you get, this delicious set of pancakes. So high in protein, delicious. Try it out. Didn't even notice that. I had a soccer game, 2 soccer games last night. I guess I got bitch slapped. So I wish I was better at presenting, but I'm just so damn hungry. I don't have time for that. But I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy. Oh, baby.